Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here, back once more with another program from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, a book by Len Turner from the early 1980s. I'm at program number 36, question and answer. I'm going to read the program description, get into Classic 99, an emulator that emulates the TI-99 4A on a modern computer system. Type the program into TI Basic, run it, see what we can make it do, and see what we can learn from it. So, program number 36, question and answer. Here's how to use the data statement and the computer's ability to search for data to create a Q&A. We put data in lines 20 to 130. It could be anywhere in the program. For instance, at the end at lines 410 to 510. The computer sees two items in each data line. Program lines 140 and 160 force the machine to take only odd numbered data from the list. That is, S string in line 180 is always the first piece of data in a data line, and C string in line 210 is always the second item in a data line. Line 230 checks to see if you answered the line 220 question correctly. Okay, so we've got, let's see, right about a page of TI Basic to type in, so let's get typing. Get into Classic 99, press 1 for TI Basic, 10 call clear, 15 randomize, ensures we get a new random sequence every time the program is run. Okay, 20 data January. And I think, number 31, number of days in the month, I believe. Okay, 30, data February 28. $40, data March 31. Let's make sure we're going by line increments of 10 here the whole way down. Yep, all the way to December. Okay. Oop, that should be lines. Got to retype line 50 now. I accidentally hit line 50. Data April 30. It should be 60. Data May 31. Let's clear the screen and list out the program. Make sure I didn't introduce any errors there. Okay, yeah, 70. Data June, 30. 80. Data July 31. 90. Data August 31. 100. Data September 30, 110, data October coming up, 31, Halloween, 120, data November 30, 130, data December 31. And that gets us all the way up to line 140. Okay. 140. R equals INT of 25 times RND. R equals INT of 25 times RND. Make sure I got that right. 150. If R is less than 1, then 140. 160 if INT of R divided by 2 equals R divided by 2, then 164. 162, go to 170. 164, r equals r minus 1. 170 for L equals 1 to R. (180) read S string. (190) next L. (200) print month is. And let's make sure we get this right. Okay, actually, no semicolon there, or no colon there. Quote, and then semicolon S string. 210 read C string. 220 input how many days. Let's double check the syntax here. Space, and we'll call that D string. Okay, 230 and D string equals C string. Then line 260. 240 print wrong. Wrong. 250 go to 270. 260 print correct. 270 print number of days is. Let's double check the syntax here. Okay, I got a space and then a semicolon and C string. Oops, is space semicolon C string. 280 restore. 290 for Z equals 1 to 10. 300 print. 320 for some reason, next Z. Skipping lines here, but I get the sense these programs are written and not renumbered. Book was rushed out a little more quickly than that, I guess. 330 go to 140. Okay, let's clear the screen, list out the program, looking for any obvious errors. Doesn't mean there aren't any, just because we don't see one, but looking for anything obvious. Okay, let's run the program, see what we get. Month is November. How many days? 30. Correct. Number of days is 30. Month is January. How many days? 31. I'll get a couple screenshots here while I'm doing this. Correct. Okay, let's get one incorrect now. How about 28? Incorrect. Wrong. Number of days is 31. Month is July. How many days? 31. September. How many days? Let's get one wrong again. Let's go 31. Wrong. Number of days is 30. Getting a couple screenshots for the YouTube thumbnail. This month is April. How many days? 30. Correct. Month is January. How many days? 31. Seems to be working fine. Let's get a couple really incorrect here. 15. Wrong. Number of days is 31. Month is November. How many days? 30. Looks like it's working fine. 31. Month is December. Let's get it wrong on purpose. 30. Wrong. Number of days is 31. March. Let's say the Ides of March. Month is October. 31. Let's just get it incorrect here again, just for the purpose of another screenshot. All right. Well, that is question and answer. Let's list out the program one more time for posterity here. exactly as written in this book. And there you go. That was program number 36, question and answer, from the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, a book by Len Turner. I used to have this book when I was a kid and carry it around and pore over it and type these programs into my own real TI-99 4A. And for some reason, I got a bee in my bonnet to take these old programs and type them up in the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A and a modern PC, and make a bunch of YouTube videos out of them, because that's what I do. In any case, if you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under CozyAzeroth, my Twitch handle, or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling. For lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational content on topics, various topics of interest to me, both personally and professionally. And if you're watching this on Twitch, same thing. Check out my YouTube channel for all the above. Lots and lots and lots of content on my YouTube channel. And in any case, remember to check me out on the other platform. You can find me on Twitch under CozyAzeroth. That's my handle on Twitch, a little nod to World of Warcraft. And remember to like, follow, subscribe, and I especially appreciate those subscriptions. Every little bit helps me in these difficult and challenging economic times. Thank you very much, and I'll be back soon. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. It's getting a little late over here, and I haven't decided if I'm going to do one more. So keep an eye out. I might be back tonight, but I'll definitely be back tomorrow. I've got tomorrow off, so I'm just going to hang out and have a nice mellow day at home and do a few more of these videos and spend some time at home. So I will catch everyone soon. Thank you for watching. I see a couple people watching here on Twitch. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.